Some of our biggest collaborators in how we build our products, what we prioritize, are the filmmakers here at Sundance.
I look at Sundance as a window into our industry, into what's happening.
I gotta give a shout out to Adobe, of course, because you need to find those allies. You cannot do it by yourself. Filmmaking is about community.
The accessibility of the tools helps more people be able to generate those stories.
We use camera to cloud, which is phenomenal. It's a game changer. We would call cut, and I think within 30 seconds, I would have that take on Frame.io, and it was the most streamlined process.
Frame was our kind of home base of communication.
I just love the ability to be so specific with like this right here, like this moment.
Things do feel more and more remote in some ways in these processes, so it's nice to have things like that that can make it feel less impersonal. Premiere to me has always been very intuitive and smooth, and it's one that I have just gravitated towards.
It just makes it so easy and fluid to have different kinds of media and collaborate. I've cut all of the features I've worked on in Premiere. This was the first time we used productions.
Our directors weren't always in the same city, so I think a big part of it, to be honest, was just sort of the ease of interoperability across the places that we were in.
Productions really meant that we could all be working on the project, but anywhere we wanted to be on that particular day.
It's like we're in the same room, but we're miles away, so it's awesome.
Speech to text I've used many times. It's just so helpful to bring in any interview, and in 5 seconds you have a full transcript of it.
It was also very accurate. I was surprised by how easy it was, I guess, because it had always felt like such a daunting thing to me.
We use speech to text to generate transcripts, and from that we would work on the subtitles, because our entire team was bilingual, but our executive producers were not. So this makes it much, much faster.
I mean, like Courtney, the lead singer of the Dandy Warhols, would be in like a super crazy room with all this background noise. And once I could hear what they were doing, I was like, feed it back into that enhanced speech thing again. It's at this point now where you can hear everything, things that I didn't even know were said.
With all of these tools that keep coming up and being integrated, it's letting us get more and more into the heart of what it is that we're trying to do, which is tell stories.
The process is hard no matter what. I feel like following the thing you love is really, really important, and the way to carry you through it.